time to get started on my almond pancakes. 1.5 cups of water. This is a really, really easy recipe. Basically, everything goes in the food processor and you blend it all together and you're ready to go. So I think the guys at the firehouse are really gonna love this. And 1 tablespoon of sugar, because everybody knows that I love sugar and I like them a little bit sweet, just a tiny bit. And mascarpone cheese. And it's a 1/2 cup left over from the tart. So we're just gonna use the rest of the mascarpone cheese to just make it light, creamy, and delicious. Now, we're keeping with the almond theme by adding 2 teaspoons of almond extract. And almond extract is pretty strong, so 2 teaspoons is plenty. 1 and 2. And we're also gonna add some vanilla extract. Sweeten it up, perfume the pancakes, just they taste really good, but they also smell really good. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. And time for the pancake mix. And I've always got some around because I love making these. We're gonna use 2 cups of pancake mix. What I wanna do is just mix this all together. Perfect, so you just wanna incorporate everything together. And time for the almond paste. I need 2/3 of this. I like to taste the pancakes and really taste the almond paste, so I leave it kind of chunky. So there we go. Now, give it a quick little pulse. Perfect, and we're done. How easy is that, right? Turn on the stove. I need a couple tablespoons of butter. And I have a little spatula here. What I wanna do is just put the butter right on here. Now, it's a non-stick griddle, so the pancakes really won't stick to it, but I wanna add more flavor to them. Plus, it gives the pancakes a nice golden color. I think that's enough butter. Grab a 1/4 cup measurement, just because I want all the pancakes to be roughly the same size, and they'll cook at the same time, too. Let's start cooking them. The sides will start to set, and then you'll see little bubbles on the top of the pancake, and that's when they're ready to flip. The sides have come together, and you can see little bubbles on the top. Almond pancakes. Simple pancakes go gourmet with a hint of almond and vanilla. Add a few raspberries and maple syrup, and you have a winner.